Hi everybody and welcome to 5 Minutes Yoga from the Inside. It's nice to have you back here again practicing with me. In today's video, we're going to have a closer look on how to expand your breath. So that means how to slow down your breath. This exercise can be done whether you are in a queue of a supermarket, laying in your bed, or sitting in a plane. So you don't necessarily need your mat to practice it. You just need good intentions as always. And then I would say, let's practice and let's jointly discover. So first of all, wherever you are, just for a moment, allow yourself to observe your natural way of breathing. And many of us are not really aware of how they breathe. See how you are feeling and where you can locate your breath right now. So maybe more in the chest area, maybe more in the back and the belly. So how are you breathing? That's very important in the beginning, just to compare afterwards and to expand your breath, because this is what it is all about today, means to be very much aware of the weightings. The weightings after each inhalation and after each exhalation. So it is never only inhaling and exhaling. It is an intake. You inhale, you wait, you exhale, and you wait. And for us to be more aware of this stopping, of this waiting, I would like you to use your hands, or you can clap hands, or wherever you are that might not be possible for you. You just lean with your hands on your thighs and you move just a bit your hands. You give it a bit of a touch, or maybe just slightly one finger. So remind yourself when you do this that you wait. And we do this after each inhalation and after each exhalation. So once again, I invite you to inhale and exhale, and together we're going to inhale. We're going to wait and clap hands or just move fingers before we exhale again. And one more time, clap hands, move your fingers, whatever is possible. And then inhale again and just continue at your own pace. But use your fingers, use your hands. That is a must here in this exercise, and it keeps you from thinking. That is very important. So you concentrate so much on your intake and that you have to use your hands, that hopefully you can feel that your mind is out of control, because this is what it is all about. Expanding your breath or slowing down your breath means calming down your mind. So just do, once again, your own pace. Inhale, wait, clap. Exhale, wait, clap. Inhale, wait, clap. Exhale, wait. And this exercise you can extend to whatever time is comfortable to you. You finish the exercise by exhaling and coming back to your natural way of breathing and comparing. That is very important. So you compare what you have been doing to your natural way of breathing. And then you feel again your mind, feel your mood, if there's a change. And like always, I hope that this little insight of mine brought you something to move forward on your own, not only yoga journey, but life journey as well. I feel for me personally, this type of breathing exercises helps me a lot, especially in challenging situations, to step out of the moment, to not react impulsively, but to first inhale, wait, exhale, wait, and then consciously decide what I might want to do or maybe not. So if you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be back again and I hope you will do the same. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now.